Stock Target Advisor's watchlists are a fantastic way for investors to keep track of their favorite stocks and project their holdings' future performance. Our users can use watchlists to monitor the latest news, analyst ratings, and performance data of their chosen stocks, so they can stay informed and make decisions quickly in today's volatile markets. They can also analyze returns on their holdings by adding them to our watchlist and comparing their performance based on over 24 criteria. Lastly, paying users can save time by linking their brokerage accounts from the top North American brokerages to their watchlists so they can do more advanced analysis than is available with most brokerages. Stock Target Advisor emails daily watchlist updates to all users who have created watchlists. You can start building and using watchlists by selecting My Watchlists from the Watchlists and Portfolios menu at the top. The left part of the watchlists page shows all the watchlists you have already created. You can click on any watchlist's name to get its details on the right. The tabs on top of the watchlist's details page allow you to select different views. You can get a detailed analysis of each stock in your watchlist by selecting the Watchlist Stocks tab, compare its performance to reference stocks by selecting the Watchlist Analysis tab, get the latest news on your watchlist holdings by selecting the Watchlist News tab, and see the most recent analyst ratings of your watchlist stocks by selecting the Recent Analyst Ratings tab. Let's start by creating a new watchlist. Click on the Add New Watchlist button at the top. A dialog will open, asking you to enter the name and any notes for your watchlist. Once you have created the watchlist, you can start adding stocks to it. There are different ways of doing it. The simplest is to just add the symbols of the stocks using the Add to Watchlist widget on top. I will add Apple and IBM as an example. Once you have added the symbols, the watchlist table will show their details. You can choose which values you want to see in the watchlist table by clicking on the Add Metrics to the watchlist table. You have a list of over 25 metrics to choose from. One of the most powerful features in the Stock Target Advisor's watchlists is the ability for you to add your holdings to them for more advanced analysis. You can do that by clicking on any symbol row. For example, I will add 100 shares, acquired at a price of $130 per share, for Apple. I will also add 100 shares acquired at a price of $120 per share for IBM. The performance analysis section on the top will automatically update to show the current holding value of all the watchlist stocks holdings and their historic returns over 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and 1 year. It also shows the aggregate beta, the 12-month projected value, the 12-month projected returns, and the estimated annual dividend income for the watchlist holdings. Lastly, it shows the aggregate analyst rating and our own automatic analysis of all of the stock holdings in the watchlist. You can also analyze the composition of your watchlist and compare the returns performance of your holdings with other stocks under the Watchlist Analysis tab. For example, the page right now is showing the returns performance of my IBM and Apple holdings against SPY, an ETF which tracks the S&P 500 index. Let's say I want to compare the performance of my holdings to Nasdaq. I simply add QQQ, an ETF which tracks the Nasdaq, and now it is also added to the performance comparison table. You can also add stocks directly to your watchlist from other pages, such as the detailed analysis and top stocks pages, by clicking on the Add to Watchlist option. In addition, you can import your watchlist into the stock screener for more in-depth analysis and filtering. We are confident that our watchlists will prove to be a powerful tool to help you with your investment activities. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can find other tutorials on our YouTube channel and on our website.